We're here at Manhattan Woods today. This is a high-end golf course. There's only about 200 members here. They come here, they want to feel like it's home. This is an ultra-exclusive country club where golf is the primary focus.
So early on in my tenure here at Manhattan Woods, I realized as beautiful as all our trees were, they would need to be managed more effectively in order to not cause a detriment to the overall playing conditions and experience. I had reached out to John Wicks with Davey Tree Company and Jim Wicks, who had been previously working with the club, and we began to site assess the golf course as a whole, tree to tree, throughout the entire property.
Hazard tree removal is the #1 service that we provide here more than any. And now we're trying to preserve the larger specimen trees with maintenance pruning on a periodic basis. So our crews are consistently trained and they produce a consistent product. Therefore, clients in the golf industry can come to us and they'll get the same result regardless of where they're located.
Quite a few years back, Hurricane Sandy came through, causing immense damage throughout the metropolitan area. Many golf courses lost innumerable amounts of trees, and Manhattan Woods was one of them.
So after Hurricane Sandy, we saw that 500 green assets had been destroyed. And I said to Jesse, do you have insurance for that? And he was able to get coverage not only for the cleanup, but the appraised value of the trees. So not only were we able to get Jesse a financial reward, we were also able to get him a way to recreate what he lost.
I'm known to be a pretty serious individual, and I take my job very seriously. I'm very passionate about it, and I think that the relationship since day one with John, that passion we share. He's a level above anyone that I've met, and so we make a great team. He's helped really assist me with also guiding our ownership.
Jesse is an extremely passionate person when it comes to turf care. I'm an extremely passionate person when it comes to tree care. We make a fantastic team because when we work together, both those assets are at their peak.
Working with John and Jim has been an absolute fantastic experience at day one. Their level of expertise and professionalism stands far above anyone that I've worked with in the past. Having them out here gives me the utmost confidence that we are going to achieve what we're striving to do so, and we're doing it in the most effective, environmental, safest, and professional manner we can to really make the trees a highlighted part and the forefront of the process in which we're trying to complete.